Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am going to be doing another get ready with me today. I have some plans to go meet up with some friends, and so I just figured I would get ready with you guys. So I've been trying to do my makeup just a little bit differently recently. I've had this sitting in my drawer, I think since last summer. It's the Maybelline Master Strobing Liquid in the shade Medium Nude Glow. I didn't ever use it because I was too white to use it, so it still looks a little dark, but it doesn't look bad once it's on the skin. And I'm just gonna put that, it's like a liquid highlighter. I'm just gonna put that like on my high points where I really want to glow. Okie dokie. Now it's on my face. I've been still using the Bare Minerals original foundation. Really enjoy it still. So I'm gonna be just putting that on. I just again swirl it around in here. Tap some off. And just start blending. Okay, now after I blended that all in, I'm gonna go ahead and set that with, did I not bring it over here? Nope, hold on. With this Bare Minerals Mineral Veil, Hydrating Mineral Veil. It's brand new, so I just have to, Same thing, just pour some into the lid. And there's powder flying everywhere. Okay, no surprise, the It Cosmetics Bye Bye Pores Bronzer. Oh, it's Earthshake. So I'm gonna go ahead and top that off with this Too Faced Sun Bunny bronzer. It's kind of a sheer illuminating bronzer. Okay. And next, this is the first time I'm going to be trying this. This is the Bare Minerals Gin Nude blush in the shade That Peach Though. I think that looks really nice though. Peach color. And then I'm gonna go ahead and settle that powder with my Mario Badescu. I don't know what it is. Mario Badescu facial spray with aloe, cucumber, and green tea. Just give myself a little shower and drink some bubbly. So I haven't really gotten to play with this much. It's the Too Faced Just Peachy Mattes palette. It's like this. Very pretty. I got this, it was half off at Sephora this week. I don't know if it's still half off or not, but definitely check it out. I'm gonna go in with the shade Peach Tea and just put that into my crease. My cat's mewing in the background. It's just very pretty peachy nude color. Which color should I go in with next? I kind of want to do something crazy. Just kidding. Okay, let's go in with the Peach Punch. Okay, good knitting. Ooh. I like it. I said I like it like that. You guys, I haven't even started listening to Drake's new album. I don't even know who I am anymore. I just inhaled some powder. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and go in to the shade Peach Tart. Just put that in my outer V. I said I like it like that. Okay, so now I'm gonna try something. I'm gonna take my soft ochre paint pot from MAC. And I'm gonna try just carve out a little area on the first half of my lid. Peach meringue color there. Just gonna try to use my finger. I said I like it like that. Okay, now let's do the other side. Oh, that song stuck in my head. I'm just putting more of that crease color back in. Just blending those all together. I'm alone. That's gonna be me all alone. All alone. I should just sing my makeup routine. I know I shouldn't, I should never, ever do that. Let's do the bottom part of my eyeballs. We're gonna go in with that first light peach tea shade. And just blend it all down here, all the way in, all the way out. I said I like it like that. Oh, I'm gonna try this shade, this Peach Sangria. Just put that across my waterline down here. I'm going to do my eyebrows now. I'm really not talented at my eyebrows. I said I like it like that. I said I like it like that. Why am I only singing that part of the song? Oh man, I suck. Oh, I'm just being really sloppy. Oh my god. Let's clean it up. Clean it up. Up. I just realized that I haven't been even telling you what I've been using. Good job, Alex. Well, maybe I'll take the time and put everything up on the screen while I'm using them. That's just gonna have to be the best it can be. Okay. I'm gonna just put a little eyeliner on. Okay, got my eyeliner on. Let's curl these lashes. Mascara time. Mascara time. Okie dokie, oh kitty dokie. Now let's go back to my highlighter. Now we're gonna do lips. I'm gonna line my lips with this NYX lip liner in the shade Ever. Now I'm gonna go over that in the Too Faced Peachy collection. I don't know. Shade in the shade Sunday Funday. The lighting, what is it doing? Look at me. Oh, there we are. My cat is being a maniac, like always. So I will catch you guys next time. Bye.